How to use DeepSeek AI for coding assistance. Now, if you are a coder or a programmer, by the way, DeepSeek does have a feature or the capability to code, right? Now, unlike ChatGPT and where you might have to pay for a certain amount of price to get proper answers, on DeepSeek you do not have to do that. What you have to do is you can simply ask it to write a code for your website based on what kind of website and what kind of language that you want to use. So let's say I want to write a code from my Google Blogger website, right? So where you can explain the situation. I would like to have a download link, but it will only be unlocked after they subscribe to a certain channel, which will only be unlocked. So let's say this is a certain type of scenario, and you can simply ask it for a code right here, and then you can basically go ahead and then see. You should be able to see a couple of code, and then now if you understand this, you can customize it a couple of things right here. You can paste some of your download link here, you can paste some of your channel link, and just like that you will be able to see all the instruction that they give you, where you can replace what with what, like your ID, your API key, and your download link. And just like that you can use it for your coding assistance. This way you can see that DeepSeek has the capability to code even on the free version. Currently there is no paid version, as I haven't found it within the website. Hopefully in the future there might be. I hope the video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.